Welcome to the show, Trucking in Wyoming with Roll-Off Mike. Appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you don't. Feel free to email me. My email address is truckinginwyoming, right there at the bottom. truckinginwyoming@gmail.com. And feel free to share the channel. And if you have any questions, any comments, if there's anything you'd like me to shoot, record while I'm out and about of the area, something you want to see, maybe you used to live here and live somewhere else you'd like to see, shoot me an email, let me know. truckinginwyoming@gmail.com. Other than that, you guys have a good day. So I got a couple of emails regarding my last video, and so I want to address that. Somebody, as you can see, I have a new hat, new cap, Keel Sanitation, best in service. See, my hat got all jacked up, so I ended up having to get a new one. I'll show you here in a minute how I did that. I'll take you outside and show you how I managed to screw that up. Well, let's see here. Alrighty, so right here on the back of my truck, there's the hooking mechanism that you hook to your roll-off can. This happens to be a covered 30. And I put my hat right here with a rubber snubber or a tarp staff across there. And it was sitting here like so, down here like that. But I didn't know that this hook comes all the way up to here when this mast is all the way up in the air, and it hit the hat. And it got caught inside of the hook. And luckily, it didn't screw the camera up at all, just messed the hat up. So since then, I've moved my hat to here so that I could film from here. And then I got this bright idea. One of these days I want to get a drone. It's just not in the budget at the time, and I thought, shoot, I've already got a drone. I have a Redneck Drone. I'm gonna put my hat and camera on here, raise this mast up in the air, and we'll get a shot of everything from up above. So anyhow, that's how I messed up my hat. And somebody else said, you call yourself Roll-Off Mike, but it says Vito on the door. What gives? Well, make a long story short, about 20 years ago when we moved here, we walked into a business here, and there was a fella in there by the name of Norm, who ended up being a good friend of ours, and figured I had moved here due to the witness protection program, and started calling me Vito, and said, oh, now there's a Vito. And so that name kind of stuck, so everybody pretty much calls me that. My real name's Mike, but I go by Vito. So maybe I ought to change it to Trucking in Wyoming with Vito, huh? So yeah, we're over here at the yard in Lovell. And another question I had is, what size roll-off cans do you guys have? Like I said, we have the 30-yarders. This is a 40-yard open. No cover. Those 30-yarders have covers on them. This is another 30-yarder. We go all the way from 10, 15, 20, 30, and 40-yarders. Then we have side loaders, which are 3 yards and 1.5 yards. All those cans over there are more or less boneyard cans that they repair, scrap out after they're wore out. This is a freshly painted 40-yard cover. We have a paint shop here. A fellow by the name of Ron sands them down, preps them, stickers them, paints them, stickers them, gets them ready for the road. This is a 15-yard open. We also have a welder, in-house welder, fabricator, that fabricates and repairs all of our cans. This one has damage on the frame rail. These are some backup equipment, side loaders, more or less retired, but still work as backups. I don't know if you can hear me with all this wind blowing. It's kind of breezy out here today. It's a 15-yard covered. It's had some damage done to it. Our welder or fabricator Joseph here will have to work on this and get it ready to get back in service. Here we have the newer 3-yarders, 1.5 yards, and the green carts over there. Some more new cans over there. And that pretty much covers it for now. So, yeah, I'm gonna mount this on my hat. On the GoPro mount. I was going to throw that hat out, and I thought I might as well hang on to it and use it, and that way I won't screw up my new hat. Keel Sanitation, best in service. So we'll walk over here across the other side of the yard a little bit, show you what we got here in cans. Oh, we got porta potties over there. Also hand washing stations, sanitizers, and handicap porta potties. We have a crew that goes around every day and services those as well. So these are all cover 30, open 40, cover 30 on the truck, cover 30 that's fixing to go in for reconditioning. Ron and Joseph will both work on that. And then we have a open 30 here, an open 20, another open 20, another open 20, open 20, open 15-yarder, covered 15-yarder, open 15-yarder, and a 10-yard open. And another 10-yarder here with some scrap metal in it from when Joseph works on the 3-yarders and 1.5 yards. Yeah, they'll clean these up. And, they got to put them in service. They get dusty sitting here in the yard. But guarantee you, when they deliver those out to the job site or to the customer, whatever event, they'll be spick and span and well maintained. Okay, that's about it for now. So hope that answers those questions. Feel free to shoot me a question anytime or a comment. You can email me at truckinginwyoming@gmail.com. Put it down there in the bottom. Also on Facebook, Trucking in Wyoming. I have a page there, and also on Instagram. And that's about going to do it for different ways to get a hold of me. All right. We'll see what we can do here and mount this over here on top and maybe get a bird's eye view with our Redneck drones. Stay